Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install the Giandel 1000 watt 220 volt inverter in a Mercedes Vito. In the box you will find the user manual, a controller with a display that shows battery level and load, the inverter itself, two short power cables, fitting screws with rubber pads, and the ground wire. The inverter has a solid aluminum body. It features two European outlets, two USB charging ports, and on and off button, and on the other side the power connection and a fan with ventilation vent. Now let's choose a location to install the inverter. I decided to mount it near the second battery located at the front of the van. This spot minimizes cable length and simplifies the connection process. It's also conveniently close to power source, eliminating the need for a long and expensive cables. Let's move to installation process. First, mark the spot where you want to mount the inverter. Drill the holes carefully. I made a mistake during this step and had to drill a second set of holes, so measure twice before you drill. Install the screws with rubber fitting and position the inverter. To access the area for installing the fitting screws, you will need to remove the second battery. This will give you enough space to position the screws and secure the inverter. If you are unsure how to remove the 12-volt battery in Mercedes Vito, don't worry. I have created a detailed video guide on this process. You can find the link in the description below. Once everything is aligned, secure the inverter into place. To minimize modifications to the van, I used an existing hole to route the power cables. This requires removing a small section of the floor lining. Run the cables through the existing hole and attach them to inverter's screw terminals. The negative cable connects directly to a ground point, while the positive cable connects to the battery clamp. Since the original ring crimp on the wire was too large, I modified a washer to secure the connection properly. Carefully position the second battery back in place. This step took a bit longer because the new wires were in the way. Find a suitable grounding point and test it with a multimeter. Cut the ground wire to appropriate length and attach a new ring crimp. Connect the ground wire to the ground terminal on the inverter. Secure the ground connection. Finally, plug in the controller into the inverter and turn it on. One thing to keep in mind is that the inverter emits noise, which can be annoying if the car engine is off. And that's it. The inverter is securely installed and operational. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.